Hmm. I don't know what happened. Hi, buddy. How are you doing? Oof. Oh no, your hair. No, don't lick me, please. Don't lick me. Your tail. Oh. Are you now sniffing my foot? Oh, wait. I'm not going inside. Just want to hear this. Can't reach you, dude. You want to go out there? I don't have any shoes on. I've got 0 shoes on. It's raining outside. I never went here in a long time. I miss this place. But it's not my house. Just... Why is that pumpkin getting destroyed by the water? The fake pumpkin. Oh, I almost hurt my sock. Come here. Hey. What are you doing? Why are you staring out there? You want to go out there? He has, a mark on his butt. Oh. It looks like it hurts. Because it's red. It's on his fur. Feels like he's just hiding a mark. But this is a boy. And I'm not showing it because that's disgusting. But he's a... Oh God, wait, I have headphones on, sorry. He's a boy. Cover that mark now. Come on. I can't cover it. Oh, there we go. Don't look at the butt. I touched the butt. Do, 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 do. I like the sound of this. I like rain. I was just on the swings. And I just came out here. There's gardening stuff. There's sticks. They have this. This is pretty boring out here, but okay. There's a shed. I'm gonna get it now. Not gonna tell you where to get to this place because they won't know you. Isn't this beautiful? It has googly eyes. They're just pigs. These people are rich. They get 2 cats and 2 dogs. Well, I'm just showing you 1 dog right now. Because he wanted to come out. I can't bring the cats out. Or the other dog because it's in a cage. Hey, look at me. You okay? Don't get caught in that. You're not a fish. I forgot your name. Well, that other dog hated me. I don't really like... I like this dog right here because it's adorable. And how small it is. Well, I'm gonna say bye now. With the music, with the sound of rain. Well, goodbye.